Hello guys, welcome back to Techdose, and in this video we will understand atomicity from acid model in the database management system. The word atomic means something which you cannot divide, that means indivisible. On a materialistic level you can understand that an atom is understood to be something which you cannot divide further. So it is the smallest entity. On a situational level you can understand that whenever you are doing any online money transfer, then you want either that transfer to succeed or fail, but you do not want your money to get stuck in between. What I mean by this is, let's try to understand this with an example. Let's say that X is the current balance of Alice, which is let's say $200, and let's say that Y is the initial balance of Bob, which is equivalent to $300. Our goal here is to transfer $100 from Alice to Bob. So Alice will initiate the process, and let's understand this in the form of transaction. So transaction T1 is done on the Alice side and Bob may be present somewhere else, and it is shown by transaction T2. So whenever Alice tries to transfer the money from her side to Bob, then it should actually pass entirely or it should fail, but it should not get stuck in between. The transaction will be initiated from the Alice's side, and the first thing which happens is read the balance. If the balance is sufficient, then we can do the transfer of $100. Yes, so a new value will be written where the current balance will be reduced by 100 on Alice's account. Now on the other hand, on the Bob's account, first the value will be read, and to this value we will write plus 100. That means we are incrementing the value by 100. So at the end of this transaction, Alice has $100 and Bob has $400. So this will happen under the ideal situation. Now what may happen is there can be a power failure at any point of time. Like let's say there was a power failure on this side on transaction T2. So the update was not written on the Bob side. So what might happen is the value was decremented on Alice's side and the balance was 100 for Alice, but for Bob the balance will still remain to be 300. Now if you add up, the total amount of money is only 400, but the total amount of money should not change. It should remain as 500, right? We are just transferring the amount from one person to the other. We are not doing anything else. So the total amount should be same. Here the total amount is decreasing, hence it is becoming inconsistent, right? Our goal is not met. In an ideal situation, this entire transfer process should happen as a one single operation, right? It should not happen as multiple step-by-step operation. So something which we want to happen as a single operation is called an atomic operation. So atomicity guarantees that some operation which we are intending to do either happens entirely or it doesn't happen at all, but it will not get stuck in between in such a way that one person is debited and the other person is not credited. In order to provide atomicity, we have commit in place, so that if in one transaction commit happens, then actually the entire changes will be reflected into the database. Now if you are wondering about how can this failure situation happen, like how can a transaction stop in between, so there can be many reasons. Like there can be power failure, or it can be due to an abort operation which was called, or it may be due to hard disk crash and many other reasons like network failure, etc. So in order to just summarize it, either the intended operation is completed successfully or it doesn't happen at all. This is what the atomicity will guarantee. I would like to announce about our live training programs, data structures and algorithms, which is interview dose, and system design, which is design dose. If you are looking for making a switch from service to product based, or even make a product based to product based top tier switch and aiming for your dream company, this is the best curriculum you can ever join. I'll be your mentor throughout the cohort and I will help you clear all your doubts in the one-on-one sessions. You can know more about this by querying us on the WhatsApp number, or you can also visit our website techdose.co.in. I hope you were able to understand atomicity. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such system design videos. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.